hello, and I am so sorry that last week it was for me a roller coaster. I did so many videos at once. I totally forgot. Yeah, it is a summer sale for the kids, but I got a few comments on which kids? We don't know. Show us what the kit looks like, and so I'm gonna do that for those who are still available. And I also gonna put the link below this video for each project that this kit belong. So check out the description box below this video to check it out all, to see more what's in the kit and what you can make with that. Alright, so let's start with kit number one. Number one, I have for you the Eclipse. And it looks like this when you unwrap it, and everything is inside, and I hope you can see all of that. But it's, well, let me just unwrap this. Let me just unwrap this just to show you which paper, because I do not have the project any longer. So you have this nice golden piece and all the embellishments, and like I always do, a nice ribbon set. And there is a 6x6 paper pad in it, a little welcome note. There is this cut apart sheet with all the words, and then you have not one 12x12 pack but two paper packs, and then you have the bookbinder's linen and you get the chipboard. So that is the Eclipse kit. Super cute. It's very fairy tale, how you call that? Yeah, Eclipse. It's dark, it's mystic, it's so much. I really like that. So check it out. The link below this video to check it out. Next one that I like to show you is my own designed paper pack of the Sherlock Holmes. There is of course a little ribbon set, a big embellishment set with all the bronze items. So this one was a box, not an album. Well, there was an album inside, but it was a box. So of course you will get the full paper pack of myself and a little welcome note and all the chipboard that's inside that was needed to make this big box. Oh, you will see that right away. Oh, totally forgot. Of course. Alright, so this you can make with the Sherlock Holmes kits. Everything is inside. Nothing else is needed. Check it out below this video box. Okay, the next one is my Alice in Wonderland kit. Oh, this was absolutely stunning. So there is a ribbon set, there is a flower set, there is also a big embellishment set for this one, and a little visiting card. Let's open this up for you. Okay. Oh yeah, that is nice. Not. Then you will get the templates to get all the shapes that I made. You have those nice shiny, well, it's not shiny, a little glossy paper bags to make the pages with. There are two paper packs, 8x8 size, Time to Dream. In it, a little note, and of course now I can show you what you can make with this. Look at that! It's a nice landscape size mini album, and check it out, the video below, to see exactly. You have this nice burlap for the spine, and I printed out two of these sheets, but with this kit you also get the printables to print these two on these cardstock that comes with the kit. So you can print on these and then you can make exactly the same. And of course the chipboard. So that is what's inside. So if I forget to send you the digitals to print this out, please ask me. Sometimes I do forget. So I apologize for that already. if I forget. So check that out. Check the link below to check out exactly how this project looks when it's done. It's stunning. It's stunning with those paperback pages. It really is. Okay, let me put this back inside. Okay, then we go to the next kit. This is the Prima Marketing Darcel with the flowers, with the ribbons, little welcome, with all the embellishments, all the metal pieces, a little extra flower, and then what's inside. Let me show you what's inside. So here you have what you can make with that. This cute album. So a little welcome note. You get a clear sheet. You get the bookbinder's linen, but you also get an extra sheet of this beige linen, bookbinder's linen. That's in what I have myself. Then you get some of the chipboard pieces, the colored one to make the photo mat. I have some extra within it. And then of course the chipboard. I thought it is pre-cut, but always check the measurements. And then you got the Prima Marketing paper line. So that is what the Darcel kit is all about. So check it out. Check it out. And then you can make exactly the same. Check out the video below to see how this project looks inside the Darcel kit. Then I have a baby project, and of course the ribbons, the flowers, and some fluffy threads, the embellishments, some extra flowers, and then you get 2 of these cute paper packs, and there is a stamp set with it, and of course there is a welcome note. Let me show you what's inside. It's heavy. God, this is a heavy. Alright, so what you got is this nice image which I used in front of this cute baby boy album. And so this is a little welcome note. You get the clear sheet. You get the white diamond bookbinder's linen for the spine. You get all the chipboard pieces. You get this brown, but you also get my Clairefontaine pearl gray cardstock 160 gram. That's in it. Normally it does not include any cardstock, but for this time I thought it would be nice to add that in it. So that's what's inside the baby boy kit. Now there is also a baby girl. That's exactly the same, of course, but then in pink. I'm going to show you real quick how the colors looks like. Maybe you like to see that. I do not need to unpack this, but you will, oopsie daisy, you will see. Yep. It's not that easy, guys. It is not. Stay. It does not stay. Alright, so we have the pink and white, and we have of course the pink ribbon set with some extras and the flower set. Everything is exactly the same, but of course we do have the little princess paper pack. But the rest is all the same. Alright, so that's all about the kit. Check out the the description box below this video to check out each album or project to see exactly how the project looks or exactly what's in the kit video. Check it out. Okay, so what's the deal, guys? It is kit summer sale, and that means that every single kit that I just show you is €29.95. But if you did see my new kit that I just released, the Wild Hearts, also made with my own paper line, my own paper collection, made with my own papers. If you buy that kit, then every old kit is €24. €24.95. So, is this a good deal or what, guys? I hope it is, so check it out. Do send me an email to Cobra7GR, that little aapstaartje, live.nl. I do have all those information below this video box, so check that out, to which email you can send me your requests on which kit is still available. So all kits are €29.95, but if you order the Wild Heart kit, then you get an extra sale for every older kit is €24.95. Alright, so I hope you have all a nice summer. And well, with this sale it can't go wrong, is it? Alright, so give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and bye bye. So check out the description box below this video to get all the links, what's in the kit, how the project is looking, the walkthrough videos, and to which email you can contact me. That works the best for me. Alright, bye bye. Happy summer. Happy summer.